Hello everyone, welcome to the daily tutorial. This is Sanulak and you are watching the third tutorial of HTML basics. So, in this tutorial, we are going to create good content. Yes, the page content that we started in the previous lecture. So, in the previous lecture, your task was to find the headings. So, those who didn't do the task, I'm going to tell them that there are only 6 headings that are started from H1 to H6. So you have to write your content within these 6 headings. So don't go away with the other headings like H7, H8. They are not existing, and only the headings are existing. They are from H1, H2. Let me first save this file as HTML lecture third dot. Don't forget to add .html at the end of the file name. So this is, so let's remove it. This is our H1 heading, similarly our H2. So you can watch here H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. So you have to write your content within these 6 headings. So in this topic today we are going to learn about the line breaks. Yes, you are right. Let me open the previous lecture. So this was the code that we wrote in the previous lecture. I'm going to paste it here. So I'm going to change the heading like this: HTML tutorial lecture number 3, and I'm going to remove the other headings. Okay, so what in the previous lecture you can see we make the 2 paragraphs like this. So what if this is a 1 paragraph like this? Oops, sorry. So it's like this, but we want to show our content like this, that this one is our paragraph with the same content, this is will be our other content. So let's see how it will look like if we write it in a paragraph with this space. So our this course is on www.dailytutorials.com, is on the next line. Let's see how it will look in the browser. So where I save this file. Okay, HTML lecture number 3, it's here. So you can see all the content will be on the as a 1 paragraph without the line break. Like we want to separate this to the next line. So how we can do it? It's very simple and easy. All you have is to place a BR, okay, BR tag here with the slash. You have to write this BR space and then close tag. So let's see how it will look. So you can see this is on the new line, but what if this is our separate content and this is our separate content and we want to highlight it? These are the 2 sections. How we can do it? It's simple, easy. All we have is to add a HR tag. HR same like the BR, then close it. So after this you can watch it how it will separate the content. So I think it is very easy, you can do it easily, but please do practice what you are going to see in this lecture. You have to practice it by yourself. So we have done with the headings, we are done with the paragraphs, line break, and with the page breaks, sorry, heading breaks. So today we are going to play a little bit with the head tag. So if we start it, then we can go to the at the pro level. So how you can do it? So in the first thing in the head title is the page title. Yes, you are right. The page title is what we are going to see in the browser tab. Like this is the HTML lecture number 3, HTML lecture 3.html. So this is a messy thing that we are going to see in every page. So you can see here is my YouTube tab open. Okay, you can see this is the YouTube name only. So how we can do it? Simply we have to add a title in the head tag like this, and is HTML tutorials by Delhi tutorials, Delhi tutorials. So I just save this file. Let's see how it will look like. You can see it's HTML tutorials by Delhi tutorial. So this thing will help us to make our page like professional. So if we start these things, then we can make our page, HTML pages with the good content. So what if we want to show the list? Yes, some content like the this we are going to create another heading here in the body tag. This is our h2, and this will show our content, course content covered. Save this file. So we have to show the course content here. So how we can do it? All we have is to add, we can write it like UL, which is our unordered list. U for unordered, L for list. So after this tag we have to write li. Okay, I'm going to copy li's. Oops. Sorry. Like this. So let's remove this space. And what if this is course 1, and this is our course 2, and this is our course 3. So I just save this file, and let's see how it will look like. So you can see it. These are course 1, course 2, and course 3 here. So what if we want to write it in the numbering form? So all we have is to change the ordered list into unordered list into ordered list. So okay, let me write it like, so you can easily understand this. It is OL. Okay, let's see how it will look like. This is our unordered list, and this is our ordered list. So we can separate the content like this. We can show it, and this will help to write the bullet points, headings, the main points of the content that we can show on the page. So I think this is very good for today's. So please do practice that, how we can write the title, how we can make the bullet points, what is the difference between the unordered list and ordered list, and the main thing that how we can make the page breaks and to the next line. Okay, so please do practice, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Take care. Bye bye.